I'm running out of pages of my passport. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today on Living Abroad, I'm going to tell you exactly how to go ahead and extend your visa here in Thailand. My name is Alex and you can live through me. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's go ahead, go meet Lisa, my friend. You might have seen her in previous videos. We'll go ahead and extend our tourist visa from 30 days, hopefully for another 2 months. But let's see, there's been some confusion how long you can extend your visa. Before we go meet Lisa, I have to tell you some things. So this is for the 64 countries that are from the visa exempt scheme, right? So if you're coming from one of these 64 countries, which I'm sure is reduced now because of the Omicron variant, you can go ahead and extend your visa, right? So you have to have your passport, 1,900 cash, so 1,900 baht. You have to make sure you have photocopies, not photocopies, but photo of yourself. So, you know, a photo which you can put on your application. It's a 4x6 picture. And also you have to make photocopies, but don't worry, all of that is actually in the same building. So you need your passport, 1,900, photocopies, and a photo of yourself. Now, make sure you also have your, what's it called? Your boarding pass, not your boarding pass, but your TM6 form that you filled out on the plane. So the back end of that, the second half of that they'll give you and they put a stamp at the airport, make sure you have that too. Now, I'll tell you a secret. I didn't have it, so they still gave me it anyways, but they really want it. So if you have it with you, take it with you. I said I lost my wallet, sorry. Anyways, so they helped me out. But if you have it, take it with you, and then they go ahead and help you. So let's go meet Lisa. I'll show you guys step by step on how to go ahead and complete this. Be aware that the immigration office is over 20 kilometers away from the city center. So depending on which ride-sharing app you use, you may have to pay some toll fees up to 130 baht. Once you get there, there are some tables outside where you have to prepare your documents like your passport and your negative PCR test that you did at home. Not PCR, the ATK test that you did by yourself. Then you go through the checkpoint and security and come into this big hallway. We did all this just to find out that we were at the wrong place. They've just moved the visa extension office to a different area. So we took a taxi about 5 kilometers to the right place. It's right across the football stadium. I'll give you guys the correct address so you don't make the same mistake as we did. I think we finally made it to the right place. Now this is a temporary location for your visa extension. They've moved it right across the football stadium. Here you go upstairs to the 3rd floor. That's where they check all your documents. So they make sure you have your passport. Also they give you 3 separate forms to fill out. So you have to fill all 3 forms. Then go downstairs to the 1st level and take photocopies of the form as well as your passport. So here they check all your stuff. Make sure you have it with you. Then you go downstairs to get photocopies of it as well as to fill out the forms. The good thing is there's a room right next to here where you can sit down and they give you examples, like actual examples of exactly what to do and how to fill out the form. You'll need to fill out 3 forms. TM7, application for extension, temporary stay in Kingdom of Thailand. This one here, the acknowledgement of penalties of overstaying, and the SMT2, which is the acknowledgement of terms and conditions for permit of temporary stay in Kingdom of Thailand.
What's the difference?
Once you have your papers, you just go to this room here. On the walls, there are clear examples of how to fill up the forms. So just in case you don't know what to do, just look at these forms and fill it out correctly. After filling out your forms, you go back to the 1st floor and get photocopies of the form and your passport as well, along with a picture. Then you go back up to the 3rd floor to the same counter that you were there. They give you a number, which then you wait in a separate room to have your number called up. When they call your number, you go there, sit down, and they go ahead and extend your visa. I tried to get 60-day visa, but they said, nope, only 30 days. And that's it, right? So make sure you don't go to the wrong address. They've just moved the whole office for visa extension to a different location right across the football stadium, right? They're going to give you a little bit of a map like this, so you can go ahead and navigate. It's got the address right here. You can just grab a taxi or put it into Bolt or Uber or Grab or whatever application you want. They'll drop you off at the new place. So don't go to the one that you might see on Google. It's a new place where they've temporarily located the office for social distancing purposes, right? So they give you a map. Don't worry, you're gonna find it there. And that's it. If you have any questions about how to extend your visa, please leave them down below. If you like this video, found it informative, or just found it entertaining, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
One night, and the world's your oyster.